Welcome to ClearTask. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to block specific countries from seeing your Facebook page. Let's dive right in. First, open Facebook on your desktop. To make these changes, you need to be acting directly as your page. Click your profile icon in the top right corner, select See All Profiles, and choose the Facebook page you want to manage. Once you are switched over to your page profile, click your profile icon in the top right again. From the drop-down, click on Settings and Privacy, and then select Settings. Now look at the left-hand menu. Find and click on Followers and Public Content. This section is where Facebook houses your primary audience and visibility controls. Scroll down the page until you find the Country Restrictions section. Click Edit on the right side. Here you have two main choices. You can either select Hide from certain countries if you want to block specific regions, or choose Show only to certain countries if you want to limit your page to a tightly defined audience. Select the option that fits your goal. Then simply type the name of the country you want to restrict into the search box and select it from the drop-down list. You can add as many countries as you need. When your list is ready, click Save Changes. Your new visibility rules will take effect immediately. That's it. Your Facebook page audience is now restricted exactly how you want it. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward technical guides. See you in the next one.